Most people want better results in life, but they don't actually understand how money works. That's why they work hard and still stay stuck. Hi, I am Max. This channel is about self-improvement, money making, and breaking down businesses. Here, we explain in a simple, practical, and actually useful way. No fake motivation, no fake results, just real ideas that you can use in real life. We already know that schools don't teach about money. Even in real life, learning about money is still difficult. So we end up confused about passive income or active income, businesses, investing, or even basic financial decisions. The internet is a gold in everybody's hand. You can learn almost everything from the internet, almost everything. But the internet sometimes overcomplicates things or sells you dreams that don't actually work. And here where my job is. In this channel, I break down complicated things into simple ideas that we can apply to our life. So you don't just watch videos, you understand and you apply. You take action. The goal is simple: better thinking, better decisions, better real life results. If there is something confusing, we simplify it. If there is something useless, we skip it. This channel is for you if you want to understand how money and businesses work, improve your lifestyle and decision making, do better actions in everyday life. Because you and your life after 5 years from now depend on what actions you take today. I believe this channel is a great community for me and you sharing our ideas. Subscribe to join us on this journey. Let's get wiser, let's get better, and let's make money make sense. Like this video to support me keeping up, and remember, I will always be cheering you on from afar.